How to set up seamless LED poster alone. First, open the top cover of the flight case. Remove the base and related accessories. Open the side cover. Drag out of the seamless poster. Secure the L-type bracket and screen with screws, 3 screws. Install the bottom bracket, 3 screws on each side. Lift the screen by holding the handle.